Hello again. We have to determine the roots of a function that already has its square completed. Okay, so we have already completed the square. Now the question is saying what are the roots of the function? And roots of the function occur when f of x is equal to 0, and roots are the values of x at which the graph cuts the x-axis. Okay, so let us apply this knowledge to solve our problem. We are going to say f of x is equal to 0, and that means that 4 times x minus 3 all squared subtract 8 equals 0. We obtain that expression from here, and now we are going to add 8 to both sides. We are doing the opposite of subtract 8, we are adding it, so 0 plus 8, which is 8. Okay, now we are going to divide both sides by 4. Our plan is to solve the equation. So we have 8 over 4. 4 into 8 is 2. Okay. Now we want to get rid of the squared here, the power 2. So we find square root. Square root both sides of the equation, which will result in square root of 2. This time, it's very important that we write plus or minus. Understand that the answer to this square root could be positive or negative. Okay, so x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 2 plus 3. Okay, so the two possible values of x is equal to positive root 2 plus 3 and negative root 2 plus 3. Alright, so you can work this out in a calculators. Let's see what it looks like. Square root of 2, 1.142, and so on. So let's say 1.414. So we will have 1.4 plus 3, and we'll have negative 1.4 plus 3, and we work these out. 1.4 plus 3 is 4.4, and 3 take away 1.4 is 1.6. Okay, so x, our values of x are 4.4 and 1.6. And what does this mean? Well, it means that the graph is going to cut through the x-axis. If we do a little sketch over here of the graph, alright, you'll see that if this is the x-axis, here's our x-axis here, that at certain points 1.6, let's say this is x equals 0 here, okay, and we have 1.6 and we have 4.4. It means that the graph cuts through these 2 points. Okay, these are the 2 points that it will cut through. This is our f of x in green. Okay, and this is just a little sketch of it. Okay, the y-axis would be here, of course, cutting through the point when x is equal to 0. Okay, so that would be y. So this is just a little sketch in our mind so far. We don't have all the information, but it cuts through the x-axis at 1.6 and 4.4. And that makes these two numbers the roots of the function. Thanks for watching and all the best to you.